This is a video how to change your engine air filter on your Acura TL. There's a couple of 8 mm bolts on it. One here, one here, one here, one here, and here. 4 bolts holding it. Take those 4 off. Okay, after you take out the bolts, just lift this up like this. That's the filter right here. Just take out the filter. Old filter, get your new filter and just put it back in. I think it was like this with this tab here on the top, like this. You just lift it up, put back your filter, and close the air filter box housing back. Make sure it seats properly, and then you put back your bolts and make it nice and snug. Okay, and this side says up right here, up. So go like this. Get your top. Put it on back like this. Make sure this fits in here. And just screw it on there. That's how you change your filter on your, I think it's a 2000 Acura TL.